Oh, Elsie, look at that beautiful dress. That is so pretty.
It's a Spanish one. It's what you wear when you're on holiday. What's on it when you've got everything else is packed?
Look at that pretty girl. You know what, Elsie? Everyone's going to love you in that dress tonight. You look so pretty. And look at this bad man's here. Let's have a look, Will. Show me a bad man's chain. Oh. Bad man's. Hey? Yeah, seagull there. This is our balcony. We're having a race with that boat. Oh, look at that princess! Hello, princess!
Nothing like being back in your own.
Good morning, princess!
This experience made you appreciate each other.
Look at that beautiful baby!
Look at you.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
Right, just need to kick some.
She's kept so fat, pretty done.
Please go away, please.
Oh, do you want to go and get some champagne?
Yeah, go on that bar.